Foo lame shit, I ain't with it. I sent some shots at your fitted.
Hello, it is I. This is my 100k plaque from YouTube. It's pointy, it's silver, it's pretty shiny, and it's silver. Now, I've always wanted this thing ever since I was a child, and now that I've got it, I don't know what to do with it. So that sparked a video idea for me. This is 20 things to do with a 100k plaque. Enjoy.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Josh. I'm not Francais, but I'm wearing Lacoste.
Number 1, you can flex with it in public.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. My drip is talent. Need a girl like Mary Berry, cake up in the kitchen. Cops a pair of slides and just fly like a. Get these people off the streets, I do it for my city. Just play the game of badminton with the local nitty. Can't lie, he was. I'm getting bigger. When I was like 10, I got my dick all in my zipper. Got the kids all copping card, my wallet's getting.
Bastard bitch! You fuck you, fuck you! Bloody fuck you, bloody! Fucking mother, bloody fuck bitch!
Number 2, you can use it as a steering wheel.
Fucking no. This is stupid.
Number 3, you can make a love song about it.
Your max is black. Your mom is clapped. 100k black. Not so black.
Number 4, you can replace your mirror with it. Yes. Number 5, you can visit the secondary school that you dropped out of and just rub it in their face. Who needs grades?
Need a girl like Mary Berry, cake up in the.
Number 6, make a TikTok.
Money and success, just let a young N-word go govern up both. Me and T-Buck see 2 ops in a maze and we ended up doing them both. Too much beef on the streets, we're hitting 2 blocks and we're shooting up both. I know feds want me back in the court, sat and both. How many times bread and peanut butter?
Number 7, show it off to your Polish friend.
Ale super, 100 000 subskrybentów. No to jest jednak coś, osiągnięcie.
Must be cool. Number 8, sell it. Number 9, turn it into a football.
Beckham could raise the roof here with a goal.
Number 10, use it to pick up girls.
Hello.
Hello.
I like you.
Thanks.
Hit it still.
Oh, you ugly scarecrow. What the fuck?
Wait. How about now?
Number 11, hop onto some stranger's cars and then just show it off.
What the fuck?
Number 12, make it your child.
You shut the fuck up. You came out of my vagina. I tell you what to do, okay?
I will take your seatbelt off and let you die, fam.
Swear to God.
Oi. Shut the
What?
Did you just call your mother a sket? She's only slept with
You wait till we get home. You shit, you naughty step.
Oi.
Naughty step. You're going on a naughty step. I should have kept the receipt when I adopted you.
Number 13, just look at it. Wow, you're so pointy and shiny and silver. Number 15, use it as body armor.
Bulletproof.
Number 16, more like summer 16, looking for a man. Number 17, make a literal drill song out of the 100k plaque.
I'm a trap when I rap, when I spit, when I spat, subs come like 100k. In the range where I sat, I'm a lit with my gab, you XP8, okay. Pull up in 18 days, now pull up with a strap in like 8 days. Pull up on your block and I spray the Glock, you're up through, get blocked with Chardonnay. Oi, come, scream my boy, oi.
Number 18, get jiggy with it. Number 19, take it to the McDonald's drive-thru.
Pricks. You scums.
And number 20, 20 is to just feel proud about it. You worked hard to get those 100,000 subscribers and get this amazing reward. So you need to feel proud to own it. You put in the hours, the sleepless night, the haters, and everything just to earn this amazing reward from YouTube themselves. And that is why the most important thing to do with a 100k plaque is to feel proud about it. This is the cringiest video I've ever made, man.
Lacoste, Lacoste, Lacoste. That's the top that I rock when I'm feeling a boss. Lacoste, Lacoste, Lacoste. That's the top that I cop when I'm feeling to shop. Lacoste, Lacoste, Lacoste. I do not ball, I do not floss, I'm not a fool.